just a car. It's a legend that shaped generations. From the moment it rolled onto the scene in the 1930s, the Beetle stood out with its unique shape, rear-mounted engine, and air-cooled simplicity. It wasn't flashy, it wasn't fast, but it was reliable, affordable, and full of personality. By the late 1940s, it exploded in popularity across Europe and made its way to America. It wasn't long before it became a cultural icon. The Beetle wasn't just transportation, it was a lifestyle. It symbolized freedom, individuality, and counterculture. In the 60s and 70s, you could find Beetles everywhere, from college campuses to concerts, from city streets to dirt roads. Over 21 million units were sold worldwide, making it one of the best-selling cars of all time. It became more than a vehicle. It was family. It was the car you learned to drive in, the car you took on road trips, and for some, the car you fell in love in. The Beetle evolved. It was reborn in 1998 with a modern take, then again in 2011 with more aggressive styling. But the heart of the car never changed. It stayed fun, quirky, and full of soul. In 2019, Volkswagen ended production with the final edition. A tribute to the past, dressed in nostalgic colors, with unique trims that said goodbye, with style and love. The Beetle may be gone from showrooms, but it's far from forgotten. It lives on in classic car meets, in garages, in movies, and in memories. It's the kind of car that makes people smile, even if they've never driven one. This was the Volkswagen Beetle, a car that proved you don't have to be loud to be legendary.